If a doctor diagnosed you with metatarsalgia, they haven't actually told you what's wrong, and treating it blindly can turn a minor injury into a broken bone. Metatarsalgia is a garbage can diagnosis. It is a general term for pain, not a specific injury. It acts as an umbrella hiding 5 distinct pathologies that require completely different rehab protocols. This area is the mechanical pivot point of your stride. During push-off, your metatarsal heads bear up to 250% of your body weight. If the load exceeds the tissue's capacity, specific structures fail. But here is the twist. The sensation determines the solution. Numbness or shooting electricity isn't bone damage. It's a nerve entrapment. A feeling of walking on a marble suggests joint inflammation, while deep, throbbing aches usually point to bone stress. Getting this wrong is dangerous. Stretching your toes helps a neuroma, but it pulls on the plantar plate, which will tear an inflamed joint capsule. You must confirm the tissue before you choose the treatment. Regardless of the specific tissue, the physics problem is always the same. Excessive pressure over a small surface area. Tight calves or narrow toe boxes force the metatarsal heads down, crushing the structures beneath against the ground. The immediate fix is offloading. Use a metatarsal pad, but most people mess this up. Do not put the pad on the pain. It must go behind the metatarsal heads to lift the bones and separate them. Identify the tissue, fix the load, run pain-free.